Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to pick some flower petals, so join me. So I have my basket here. I'm going to fill this with flower petals. Okay, so I'm walking right now. I have some lilies here. Okay. I need to pick all those petals here. So pretty. Okay, I have more here. I'm going to use this for my candle ornaments. There's one more left here. I don't want to destroy that. Okay, I think I got it all. So this one I need to wait when they gonna fall. Oops, this one is already dry, so I need to pick it. Okay, so I think I'm good. So those are my daisies. Okay, so I'm going inside and I need to dry this petal. Okay, so I have other petals here. So this is rose, and then I have another flower here. Okay, so this one is already dried. It's dried already, so this is ready to decorate. And my lilies, they are still wet or still fresh, so I can't use this right now, but I have another flowers here that I can demonstrate on how you are going to turn it into a decorative display. Okay, so I have this old, this one is a platter, it's a silver, I think it's a stainless. Okay, and I have my dried flowers here, so you can do this whatever flowers do you have at home, just make it sure that it's dry. Okay, so you need to remove that. Okay, and if you want to leave the stem here, just leave it like that. And then you need to have a candle. So this one, I've been using this, so I just need to clean it. I got this candle at dollar store. Okay, so now it's cleaner. Okay, so this one you need to put this in the middle. Okay, now you are going to start arranging your flower. This is so pretty. Okay, so that's my first layer. So now I'm going to add with my rose. This is yellow rose. So this one I got this last February 14. So now it's really dry. So all you need to do is just remove that and then just put it there, or else you can remove this one by one. It's up to you. Okay, but me, I don't want to separate it, but I can just a little bit spread the middle to make it more open. Okay. Yes. And now it's time for me to spread my petals. Okay. And I need 2 more. Okay, I think that's it. need to make it. Oh, this one is, it looks nicer. If you are going to separate it, let me check. I think it's nicer if you are going to separate it. This is my first time to use this because I need to wait for this flower to be dried. So, oh yeah, it looks better when it's separated. So I think I'm gonna do that and then mix with my coloring petals or flowers. Yeah, I think this one is better. Okay, yeah, there you go. And later on, you can spray it with perfume if you want. Yes, look at that. But I don't want to cover my other flowers on the bottom. Okay. I think it's too much, so I'm going to less it. Okay, there you go. So this is my DIY candle flower with petals around. Okay, so now it's time for me to light it. So you need to be very careful because this is dried petals, so you don't want to burn this part. So you need to make it sure that you are doing this right. So pretty, yeah. So you can spray this with your perfume, yeah, but don't spray on this part, okay, because it's flammable. So you need to just spray this part to make more, so that you can smell your perfume. You can put this inside your room or bathroom. Okay, so this is my DIY flower candle decorations or display. Okay, so I hope guys you enjoyed my video. So if you have flowering plants, don't throw your petals or your flowers because you can use it to decorate around your candle. You just only need to have some simple plates or bowl and then just let it sit inside your house because this one it will dry itself. So you don't need to use anything to dry your flowers. And that's gonna be my second project. Okay, and if you have vase, because this is my vase, okay, I'm gonna put this inside. If you can see that. Okay, I'm gonna put this inside so that I can use it later. Or you can use like this as your flower vase. arrange it nicely. Okay, so it's too much. Okay, so look at that. Pretty, right? Yes. See? You can use your dried flowers into, you can turn it into a decorative display. So look at that. And if you are going to add perfumes, you can smell a very nice scent. Okay, again, thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you are not yet my subscriber, so don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you, and see you next time.